Well, that's the setting sun. And here I am in the middle of nowhere. There's a sand track that I happen to hit. This is it. So I'm going to see if this tractor can do sand all day long. I've done the beach, but nothing like a dedicated track. There you go. Second gear. And let's just keep at it. It's a lot of body positioning, fellas. A lot of body positioning. Steady throttling. Not holding on to the handlebar. With your... Whoa, whoa, deep sand. Deep sand. Ruts. Deep sand. Wow! Woo! Woo! Keep going, man. Keep going. Flexibility. Flexibility is key when you do sand. And a track like this doesn't present itself every day. So when you get a chance, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's a piece of cake for Ben. Wow, some nasty hits, buddies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look where you want to go. Keep looking where you want to go. That's the catch. Weight on the rear. Haven't dropped the air. It's straight from the road. Tarmac to sand. Thank God for knobbies. Knobbies take care of it. Knobbies take care of most of it. Do not be looking at the speedometer. That shit doesn't make any sense on sand. And woo, woo. I'm trying my best to hold on. Whoa, 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 for sure. Woo! Playing around on sand has always been the best enduro that you could give yourself, fellas. This is crazy stuff. Bangs. Third gear. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck is this? This track just keeps on going. How much more of this? And these are some nice hard pack ruts. Whoa. Shut the throttle. Learn to know when to shut the throttle. Gonna go for the top. Woo. Whew. Traction to the rear wheel, as important as it gets. Whew. If this helped in any way, it helped. That's all there is to it. Poor Ben has been leaking. I hate to see this fella leak in oil. I can't help it. I'm gonna get the block changed in some time. Yeah, not the block, just the gasket and maybe some piston rings if need be. But this is crazy shit, huh? Woo! What an arm pump. That's some serious arm pump business. Loved it. Ben is just amazing. I love this little tractor.